Hi guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk about facts. Bro, what the wire coming? Okay, I'm gonna be talking about facts. I hope you remember. Okay, I don't know about hope, but there I have a live stream in few hours, like 10 o'clock. I'm not sure. So yeah, it is gonna be. I think it's gonna be very cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll plan it. Okay, comments below. Just decide what I should do. ASMR, or ASMR, or gaming. Yeah, what should I do? So yeah, actually not gaming. I can't do it. Um, I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. But we'll see. I'll check it out. Anyways, yeah. So uh, yeah. Don't care about the music. So yeah. If you can hear the music. Oh. Anyways, so what else? Yeah, tell me in the comments below. What should I be doing in my live stream? ASMR, gaming, and more stuff. Okay? Or should I react to YouTube shorts until the end? Whichever comment gets the most likes, I'll do that. I'll pin that and I'll do it. Maybe I'll do all. Maybe I'll do all. Yeah. Okay. Peace out. Bye.